Hey, welcome back. Before we get into today's video, I need to ask you something. When was the last time you got on a plane and felt genuinely taken care of? Not just tolerated, not just squeezed into a tiny seat and handed a bag of pretzels, but actually looked after? Because what I'm about to share with you completely changes the game for senior travelers. And the wild part is, airlines already have all of this waiting for you. They're just not going to bring it up unless you do. So today we're going through 14 completely free things that seniors can ask for on a flight in 2026. These are real services, real perks, and real comfort upgrades that cost you absolutely nothing. You just have to know to ask. Let's get into it. Number 14, complimentary amenity kits on longer flights. Here's something that most people in economy class have no idea about. On flights that run 6 hours or longer, especially on international routes, airlines often have extra amenity kits tucked away. We're talking toothbrushes, toothpaste, moisturizer, sleep masks, earplugs, and little socks. These are the same kinds of kits handed out in premium cabins, and flight attendants sometimes have extras. The trick is simply asking early in the flight, something like, "Excuse me, do you happen to have any amenity kits available?" That's it. You're not being demanding, you're just asking. The earlier you ask, the better your chances because supplies go fast on those overnight routes. This one little kit can make an overnight flight feel 100 times more civilized. Number 13, escort services and transport between gates. Big airports are no joke. Some of them feel like small cities, and if you've got a tight connection or your knees just aren't cooperating today, rushing through a terminal can be genuinely exhausting and even risky. Here's what a lot of seniors don't realize. Airlines will arrange motorized cart transport and escort services between gates, and it costs you nothing. You can set this up when you book your ticket, call the airline a day or two before your flight, or just ask a gate agent on the day of travel. And here's the important thing. You don't need to be in a wheelchair to qualify. If you use a cane, have joint pain, or you're just dealing with a connecting flight that feels impossible to make in time, you can ask for this service. Airlines genuinely prefer helping you get to your gate calmly over dealing with the chaos of a missed connection. Number 12, lounge access during long layovers. This one surprises a lot of people. Those airport lounges with the comfortable chairs, free food, quiet atmosphere, and clean restrooms are not exclusively for first-class passengers. Depending on the airline and your loyalty status, seniors traveling on international routes or dealing with lengthy layovers can sometimes get complimentary or discounted access. Certain travel credit cards aimed at retirees also include lounge passes as part of their benefits. But even if you don't have any of that, it's worth asking at the check-in counter or the gate. Try something like this. I have a 4-hour layover, and I'm wondering if there are any lounge options available for seniors today. Gate agents occasionally have discretionary passes available, especially when the lounge has open capacity. Even getting a couple of hours in a quiet, comfortable space with some free snacks can completely change your mood before a long flight. Number 11, help stowing your carry-on bag. This sounds small, but it matters more than people realize. Lifting a heavy bag into an overhead bin is one of the most common ways travelers injure themselves at the start of a flight. The good news is that flight attendants are trained to assist passengers with this exact task. They just don't announce it over the intercom. The moment you board, before you even get to your row, let a flight attendant know that you'd appreciate some help getting your bag stored. They'll either help you directly or make sure someone is ready when you reach your seat. Even better, mention it to the gate agent before you board. That way, the crew is already prepared. This isn't about feeling helpless, it's about being smart and protecting yourself from an unnecessary strain injury before your trip even begins. Number 10, free seat upgrades based on genuine need. Okay, this one takes a little confidence, but it absolutely works. Flight attendants and gate agents have the authority to reassign seats, especially when a flight isn't completely packed. If you have a legitimate physical need like joint pain, recent surgery, or difficulty sitting in a confined space for extended periods, you have every right to mention that when checking in or at the gate. The approach matters here. Instead of vaguely asking for a better seat, be specific. Say something like, "I've been having some trouble with my knee after a procedure, and I'm a little concerned about sitting in a very tight space for 5 hours. Is there anything available with a bit more room?" Bulkhead seats and exit row seats are common wins in this situation. You might not land in business class, but extra legroom is a genuine game changer on a long haul. Number 9, entertainment devices and headphones at no charge. Not everyone travels with earbuds or a loaded tablet, and that's completely fine. Many airlines still carry basic wired headphones that they'll hand out on request, and some aircraft that don't have individual screens actually have tablets or entertainment devices available for passengers who ask. The best time to request these is shortly after takeoff, before the crew gets busy with the beverage service. If you're hard of hearing, specifically ask whether they have headphones with volume boost options, because some airlines do stock those. And when you ask, it helps to frame it around using the in-flight entertainment system rather than just asking for free headphones. That framing tends to get a much better response. Number 8. Blankets and pillows for added comfort. Airplane cabins run cold, and that affects seniors more noticeably than younger passengers. Many airlines no longer automatically hand out blankets and pillows in economy class, but that absolutely does not mean they don't have them. They do. Flight attendants keep them in the overhead compartments and in the galley, and they prioritize distributing them to passengers who ask, particularly seniors who mention being cold or needing lumbar support. Board early and make your request right after settling into your seat. If you wait until halfway through the flight, the supply may already be gone. A pillow tucked behind your lower back can make several hours of sitting feel dramatically more manageable. Number 7. Extra water and snacks whenever you need them. Dehydration during a flight hits seniors especially hard, and it can interact badly with medications. Here's the thing. You are not limited to whatever the beverage cart hands you on its 1 or 2 passes through the cabin. Flight attendants are happy to bring you extra water, especially if you explain that you need to stay hydrated due to medication or a health condition. You can press the call button or, during a calm moment in the flight, walk to the galley and ask politely. Beyond water, many flights have additional snack options that never make it to the official service. Think crackers, cookies, or sometimes fresh fruit. Airlines tend to be quite accommodating when passengers mention specific dietary or health-related needs. The magic phrase is something simple like, "I need to keep my fluid intake up because of a medication I'm taking. Is it possible to get some extra water?" Number 6. Free special meals for dietary or health needs. This one could genuinely be important to your health, not just your comfort. Airlines offer a wide range of free special meals. Low sodium, diabetic friendly, gluten-free, and other options are all available at no extra cost. You do need to request these in advance, ideally when you book, or at least 24 hours before your departure. But if you forgot to arrange it ahead of time, ask the flight attendant when you board anyway. They sometimes have a small number of special meal options available for last-minute situations. Never assume this service costs extra or requires any kind of special status. It's built in. Airlines would much rather feed you something appropriate than manage a medical situation in the air. Number 5. Medical support and pre-arranged assistance for health conditions. If you have an ongoing health condition, the airline is your ally, not your obstacle. Flight crew members receive medical training and are equipped to assist with various situations. If you need to access medications during the flight, require specific accommodations, or have a condition that might be affected by cabin pressure or altitude, let the crew know when you board. For passengers who require supplemental oxygen, airlines typically allow portable oxygen concentrators on board with advance notice, usually 48 hours. Some carriers have additional protocols for passengers with breathing difficulties. The key here is communication. Airlines cannot help you effectively if they don't know what you need. A quick, quiet word with the lead flight attendant at the start of your journey can set the tone for the entire flight. Number 4. Extra legroom seating at no additional charge. Airlines have been monetizing legroom aggressively in recent years, but that doesn't mean you always have to pay for it. Gate agents retain discretionary authority to assign better seats, and seniors with mobility challenges or medical conditions are often given priority when those seats are available. Show up at the gate early, which we're going to talk more about in a moment, and explain your situation plainly. Something like, "I have limited mobility in my legs, and I'm a bit concerned about being in a very confined seat for this long. Are there any options with additional space?" Even landing a bulkhead row gives you the ability to extend your legs during the flight, which makes an enormous difference in how you feel when you land. Number 3, free or waived seat selection fees. Most airlines now charge passengers to select specific seats during booking, but there are hidden exceptions that never get advertised. Seniors with mobility needs or specific medical requirements can often have these fees waived, but you typically need to call customer service directly rather than going through the app or website. Explain that you need to sit close to the front for easier boarding, near a restroom for health reasons, or in a specific configuration for a physical condition. When you advocate for yourself clearly and calmly, airlines frequently waive these fees without any fuss. The website will charge you automatically. A phone call to a real person opens the door to flexibility. Number 2, full boarding and deplaning assistance. Beyond just getting on the plane early, seniors can request comprehensive assistance that covers the entire boarding and deplaning process. This includes help navigating the jet bridge, getting settled in your seat without being rushed, and then being assisted off the aircraft when you land in a way that's calm and safe. You can arrange this at the airport by speaking directly to the gate agent when you arrive. It also includes help at baggage claim on the other end. This service exists specifically to reduce the physical and emotional stress of air travel, and the staff who provide it are genuinely trained and usually very kind about it. Number 1, priority boarding. This is the big one, and it might be the most underused perk of all. Seniors can request priority boarding at the gate or when checking in, which means you board before the general crowd. No fighting over overhead space, no being rushed by a line of impatient passengers behind you, no stress. You have time to get settled, organize your belongings, arrange your medications or any items you need during the flight, and just breathe. Many airlines offer this automatically to seniors, but the process is inconsistent. Always confirm it when you check in and again at the gate. Starting your flight calmly and comfortably sets the entire tone for your journey, and that is absolutely worth asking for every single time. All right, so there you have it. 14 completely free things that you as a senior traveler can ask for on your next flight. None of these cost you anything. They already exist. They're already waiting for you. The only thing standing between you and a significantly more comfortable travel experience is simply knowing what to ask for and being confident enough to ask for it. The airlines are not going to hand all of this to you proactively. That's just the reality of how the industry works. But you now know exactly what's available and exactly how to ask for it. Which of these surprised you the most? Have you actually used any of these before? I genuinely want to know. Leave a comment below with your travel experiences or with the tip you're most excited to try on your next trip. If this video helped you, please give it a like because it helps other senior travelers find this information too. And subscribe if you haven't already because we cover this kind of practical, money-saving, comfort-boosting content regularly. Safe travels, and remember, the most prepared traveler is the most comfortable traveler. See you in the next one.